Hello, everybody. A warm welcome from Seeklo. I'm Sheetal Bapat, and I am the co-founder of Seeklo and Shamchi Foundation. We work in the field of career guidance in Maharashtra and other states for the last 5 years, and also work with a lot of parents and teachers. And today, I'm very happy to welcome all of you to a very exciting session. Today, I'm so excited to introduce all of you to a very young achiever, a young boy just 20 years of age, Prem Kale, who at the age of 20 has his own enterprise. He is a young achiever. He's won the Young Achiever Award. And he also has made it to the Skill India contest, and he's the third runner up in one of the competitions held at the national level. Chose to take his education in his own hands. I would rather say that he took education in his own hands, and he decided that he did not want to pursue formal education any further. Well, this was his dream. He knew his own skills, he knew his passion, he dreamed, he dared to dream. But not just dream, but he is already at the age of 20. He's brought this dream into reality in lots of ways. He already owns an enterprise which is manufacturing beautifully designed bicycles. Especially his father, Mr. Amar Kale, who is himself an entrepreneur, has definitely played a very big role in supporting him in this journey so far. Let's look at a small video that showcases Prem's amazing invention and the product and his journey and his achievements.
From the moment they are born, your kid grows up before you know it. A turn becomes a crawl, becomes a walk within a blink of an eye. Like a bird taking its first flight, let your kid grow forward, not just by walking, but by soaring with Tipai. Tipai, a masterful innovative bike created using patented design, is the best way to initiate your child into balancing a cycle. Made to last with premium parts, this bike comes with puncture-proof tires and rounded edges for your child's safety. With no chains to complicate the design or leave a mess with oily stains, Tipai is the first step to teaching your child independence. The bike is lightweight, which makes it easy for a child to carry. Tipai is designed with simplicity to grow as the child grows by rearranging the same parts into a bigger or smaller bike with a one-step flipping method. Its pedal-less design makes it the perfect bike for balancing. The perfect partner to facilitate your child's growth, this bike can accompany you on trips and easily fits into a family car. Tipai is designed to be your child's first companion on his lifelong pursuit of balance, growth, and moving forward. A companion that teaches, supports, and also knows how to have fun. Tipai, it grows on you.
Let's start this conversation, an interesting conversation, which I am sure you all are going to enjoy thoroughly. So, my first question I would like to ask Prem, who is with us, about his decision to drop out or to take education in his own hand in the 10th grade. What was it about, and how did he come to this, making this choice?
I was planning on doing aeronautical engineering, but then I thought spending 5 years into engineering and then figuring out what I would do next. That would be a question of the future, and for me, I like to live in the present moment. Somehow, altogether, it came to me that I am good at making stuff, and I like to explore more of that. And that's when I thought that why not make a folding bicycle, which was in very trend abroad. So I made a folding cycle after I completed my 10th, and I asked my parents that I'm not sure what I want to do at this moment, but right now I think creating stuff and going ahead in it will have a future for me. And I was just hoping, I was very certain that going this way would definitely have a future for me. So had to do a lot of convincing and all. And after that was done, I made a folding cycle, which took me around 6 months to make. And since then, I've just been exploring more of the cycling part, making cycles, and exploring all of the fields that I went ahead in. So basically, my company Vamshikal, we make custom wooden balance bikes for kids. It's not only my cousin that is facing this problem, but a lot of other kids. So I decided to make a mass production of it, and that's when I formed my company Vamshikal. And in 2019, at a kids fair in Pune, I launched it in May. So that was the start of it. And since then, we've been helping out a lot of kids, and a lot of kids are balancing cycle much better these days.
I am sure this is not a very easy path to take, and I would like to go on to your father now because uh, we normally, when your child gets 95% in PCMB and is doing well, so the only trajectory that most of the parents and the students take is first finish your engineering and then figure out what you want to do. Hi Amar, welcome here, and I would like to really understand what you really felt, what you went through when Prem came up to you in 10th and told you about this decision.
For a moment we were like, okay, then what do you want to do? And he said, anything, I'll develop anything. And we've been seeing him do things since his childhood. So I just wanted him to have a plan of action, what he wants to do in his life. And one thing we told him that, okay, going forward 5 years down the line, or maybe 10, 20 years down the line, you succeed, you might fail, but the onus will lie on you. Think about it seriously, and whatever choice you make, then you have to own up your decision. And he was very firm, and so we just supported him. Once in a while, maybe twice or thrice in a week, we used to sit and just take his progress, or what is he doing and what he has developed. He came across this brilliant idea of balance bicycle, which took around a year for him to develop it fully. And once that was done, then we got confident that yes, he can do something great in that.
I think I've had this question of what would I do if I was in college and all. And for that moment, it felt good. But when I thought about the work that I was doing, it felt very nice. And on the friend side, since my work was too important for me, I stopped socializing for a year or two. And then I realized that socializing is also important as much as my work. So later I started socializing as well. And it was balanced on both ends after that. So friends was not a problem for me at all after that. Apart from that, online courses, I've done an industrial design course from a London-based company. So that is my online education. And here and there, I just keep learning about whatever things that help me. Like if there's CNC machining that needs to be done, so I take up a course on that and I learn more about that. So just a few things here and there, but mostly it's very practical for me.
So you decide to swim against the tide, and you're not following what everybody else is doing, because there are certain challenges which he faces, and as Prem said, that the solution lies with him, but he fights his own battle and he comes out of it.
As a future plan, I am thinking more of what can be worked on for the future, so that how can I make people's life easier, and like I just want to give back to the society in a way that I can, which is by making something. I am planning to make a electric moped for everyone to travel around, contributing to a green nation.
When Prem told me about his passion, I just wanted to support him and take a chance that what will happen is maximum that he'll not do so good, but whatever he'll do, he'll be happy at heart. He'll be content and satisfied at heart. So I just think that I want all parents to know one thing, that don't force your kids into anything. 20 years before, there were limited choices and there were limited courses. But right now, sky is the limit. You choose any field, any small field, and you can actually make something really good. So let kids. There are certain kids who really don't know anything what they want to achieve. Then you should actually support them and help them take their line. But there are certain kids who really know that this is the field I want to go in. So as parents, we should stop. What do you say? We should stop demanding from the kids what we want. Let them choose their own field and just guide them and just support them. That's what.
Very powerful message. That's a very powerful message and a learning. I'm sure the audience has enjoyed this session. There are a lot of insights that have been shared today in this session. Personally, I feel, as I always say, the role of parents is extremely important in anchoring the child in his growth, in letting him be reach their true potential. Times there are children who are very confused about what they want to do and not yet made up their mind. And since an early age, since 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th standard, if you see signs, if you partner with the child correctly, if you can communicate with these teenagers, if we keep the right communication with them, if we try to connect with them rightly, understand them, because we as parents know our children the best. And if we can really partner with them in this whole journey, in today's day and age when there are so many opportunities around, I think every child will find his own calling and make a bright future for himself. Thank you so much today, Amar and Prem, both of you, for joining us. And we would hope to see you back again soon, sometime on seeklo.com. And thank you, audience, for being here and spending this evening with us. Thank you very much.